What's up guys, I'm glad to have you back. So right now in this video I'm going to be talking about the near wallet airdrop, okay? And this particular airdrop is going to be ending in 18 days time, all right? And it's still early for you to actually join and actually earn some points right here for this particular airdrop. And I feel this particular airdrop is going to be a massive airdrop, and all you need to do is to actually perform some basic tasks to actually earn some points for this airdrop, okay? But before we actually get started with this, I would like you to take small of your time to smash the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Here I basically talk about different ways I myself make money online, okay? And I also make videos about them in case you might want to actually try it out yourself, okay? And airdrop is actually one way I've actually made money for free, and this is another free airdrop I'll be talking about, okay? And also before the end of this video, I'll also make a recap on the previous airdrops I've talked about, like the Interlink airdrop, the ATOC airdrop, the Hitrush airdrop, and also the Mawari airdrop. I'm just going to talk about the recent updates going on those airdrops, okay? But first off, let's get started with this new airdrop that I'm going to be introducing you to. So to basically get started with the Near Wallet airdrop, you just go to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store, depending on the device you're using, and search for the Near Mobile Crypto Wallet, okay? So once you find it this way, you actually install it into your device. You actually create a new wallet, okay? So you click on the Create Wallet button, and afterwards, you'll be asked to actually input a referral code, okay? Now, I'll be dropping my referral code in the description section of this video and also in the comment section down below, okay? Now, you have to use this referral code if you want to actually earn some points for using the referral code and also for some other benefits, okay? So you just input the referral code right here, and afterwards it will take you to a page where you need to actually secure your secret phrase, okay? Then afterwards you'll be asked to create a 4-digit code. You create the code. So once you've created your 4-digit pin and you've created your wallet, you have it this way, okay? So now I want you to click right here where you have the Npro, okay? So this is where you're going to be mining this particular airdrop, and all you need to do is to perform some basic tasks like follow them on X and then quote some posts. You invite a friend, you get 10 points for each friend you invite, and the last one is to leave a review, okay? So let's start with the first task right here, which is to follow the X page. So click on follow button here, and here we are on X. So I'll click on follow. Then we'll come back here to the Near Wallet app, and right here we need to just input our X username, okay? So you input your X username the same way it is on X, starting with the @ symbol, okay? Then we'll click on the verify button right here. And afterwards, you'll find this message which says we are verifying your follow, okay? So close this now. The next thing we're going to do is to actually quote a post, okay? So I'll click on quotes right here. And we have to actually quote this post. So I'll click on the post here, and here we go. So we are going to also copy the link to this particular post, okay? So I've copied that. Then we'll come back here, and then I'm just going to paste it right here. Then we'll verify this also, okay? And it's also verifying this task also, okay? Then the next task is to invite your friends, where you get 10 points for each friend you invite, okay? So you're going to find your referral code right here. So you copy it and you invite them to this particular airdrop, okay? So farming this airdrop is not actually difficult, and hopefully with time more tasks will keep coming in right here on the Near Wallet airdrop, okay? And right here you can see the distribution. It says we will distribute 100k NPRO among all participants based on your points, okay? So basically the higher your points, the higher your rewards from this particular airdrop. So we just have two basic tasks for now aside the invite friend task. So with time I think more tasks will be added right here, and you can also check out how the distribution work right here. And if you scroll down, you can actually see the campaign deadline. So this says it will be ending on the 15th of September, and the token distribution might take place December 15th, okay? So this is an airdrop you actually participate in for the future, and hopefully by December you could actually earn a lot of money from this particular airdrop once it actually gets listed, okay? So this is an airdrop you will not like to miss out on. So get started with this, perform the two basic tasks, though the task is actually taking time to actually verify, but it's still going to get verified as far as you do the right thing and start farming this airdrop. And there are other things you can also do right here on the Near app. And if I also see more ways to earn points right here. I'm still going to make a video about it so that you can also tag along. Okay, a quick recap on the previous airdrops I've talked about, like the Interlink airdrop, is still going on. And you can also mine ITLG right here on the Interlink app. Okay, so I'll be dropping a detailed explanation video in the description section below in case you want to check it out, so that you can also get started with Interlink airdrop. Okay, so this is another amazing airdrop you don't want to miss out on. Okay, and I also feel this particular airdrop is going to be a huge one, so check out that video, and I'll also be dropping the link to the Interlink in the description section below so that you can start mining the Interlink token right here. And also coming over to the ATOC airdrop, I know a lot of people are waiting for this particular token to get listed so that they can actually, redeem their reward. Okay, so I myself have not actually been coming here for a while now, but the ATOC airdrop is still on. Please do not miss out your check-in, and from time to time videos are still being dropped. Okay, though the videos are not dropped regularly like before, but from time to time they are still dropped, and you can see some videos are still here that people have not actually watched. Okay, for example, this particular one right here, about 74,000 people out of 200,000. So if you've not performed this task, also come and perform it. Okay, and you can also perform the lucky spin to also earn some ATOC tokens right here also. So the TGE for this particular airdrop might come late this year or early next year. Okay, so the ATOC team have not actually dropped a concrete date on when this particular token will be listed, but then people are stipulating might come in late this year or early 2026. Okay, so which means you still have enough time to mine this token, because I feel this airdrop is going to be another massive airdrop. Okay, I will also drop a tutorial video on the ATOC airdrop in the description section below in case you want to also try it out. And if you've not get started with it, you can also get started with this particular airdrop. Okay, because it's going to be a massive one. Then coming over to the Mawari network airdrop, this particular airdrop is currently over, and I myself was not able to gain a lot of points from this airdrop. But if you got on this airdrop, I hope we get lucky and also get a lot of rewards from the Mawari airdrop once it gets listed. Okay, but then the Mawari airdrop is currently over, and we're still waiting for news on when the TG is coming and other necessary information. Then coming over to the Hit Rush airdrop, so this particular airdrop still has a long way to go, as the mainnet is set to happen at the first quarter of 2026. Okay, and also more tasks have been added right here to this airdrop. When you come to task, you're going to see a lot more tasks that can actually help you in more points on this airdrop. Okay, so we still have enough time to actually mine the Hit Rush points and actually prepare for the airdrop. And we're currently at the season 1 phase 4. Okay, and this is ending in 8 days. So the Hit Rush airdrop is still on, and I'll be dropping a link to the tutorial video in the description section below also, in case you want to actually check it out. Okay, so those are the airdrops I'm currently on right now, and the ones I've also talked about. So that's the recent update on this particular airdrop. Okay, so with time we're going to see how our airdrops are going to do, and very soon we'll enter into their mainnet seasons. And once all these airdrops get listed, we're going to see how much rewards we're able to get from them. Okay, so for now, start mining these airdrops so that once they get listed, you'll be able to get a very good reward for actually participating in them. Okay, so that'll be all for now, guys. I hope you find this very helpful, and if you do, please don't leave without smashing the like button and subscribe to this channel, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next update. Have a nice day. Bye.